Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather and today we got the Plyo series case for iPhone 16e from the Urban Armor Care. So we are going to have a detailed review of this case. So we will talk about its design, features, build quality, specs, hands-on with the device while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here we go. So here we got the huge UAG branding. It is for iPhone 16e. This is Plyo series case. Here we got some of the specs that it is 16 feet drop tested. That is 4.9 meters in height. It comes with 3x military standard 810G 516.6 protection. We got built-in magnet for MagSafe compatibility. It is a clear transparent case, but it comes with rugged design with anti-yellowing technology. On the back, once again, we got some of the details of the case and some of the specs that it comes with impact resistant soft core. We got built-in magnet. It comes with air soft corners, oversized tactile buttons and protective screen surround. So here is our Plyo series case from Urban Armor Care for iPhone 16e. So as you can see, it is a transparent case. So the beauty of your iPhone won't be hidden if you use the Plyo case with it. Here on the back, you can see we got the UAG branding, the signature armor shell design of Urban Armor Care, behind which you will find the MagSafe module. We got the precise cutouts for the USB Type-C port, microphones, speaker grill, etc. Here we got the cutout for the lanyard, so you can even connect lanyards with your Plyo series case for iPhone 16e. We got a TPU shock absorbing frame along with the hard shell polycarbonate, and the air soft cushion edges provide protection to your smartphone if you drop it with the Plyo case on it. So if you put our smartphone inside, you can see the MagSafe module is being detected by our iPhone here. And here we go. So as you can see, it is showing all the beauty of our iPhone 16e. The color, the Apple logo, everything is totally visible. If you have a look from this angle, you can see how high is the area around the camera module. So the camera lens is going to be fully protected by the Plyo case for iPhone 16e. We got the precise cutouts for speaker grill, microphone, etc. 2 slots for the lanyard. And if you have a look from this angle, you can see the edges around the screen are raised a lot as well to provide the protection to the display if you drop the iPhone 16e with the Plyo series case on a flat surface. We got these oversized tactile buttons on Plyo series case for iPhone 16e, and it feels good while pressing them because of these nice clicky sound and effect. One of the drawbacks of the iPhone 16e is that it does not come with MagSafe compatibility. So if you try to connect any of the MagSafe accessories, it won't stay on the body of our smartphone, as you can see. But our Plyo series UAG case comes with MagSafe compatibility. So let's try it and let's see how good it's going to be. So the magnet is really strong, as you can see. This power bank is not falling out of the case even if I'm shaking it like this, and you can see it is charging perfectly. So the MagSafe compatibility is working perfectly on our Plyo series case for iPhone 16e from Urban Armor Care. So if you're planning to buy a nice case for your iPhone 16e, then the UAG Plyo series case is one of the nice options for you, especially if you would like to not hide the beauty of your iPhone, as it comes with transparent back panel, very solid build quality, raised edges for the camera module, as well as for the screen, oversized tactile clicky buttons, precise cutouts for the slots and ports, along with option to connect the lanyards with your case, and the MagSafe compatibility. If you're planning to buy one, then I have shared the link in the description of this video from where you can buy the Plyo case for your iPhone 16e. And if you enjoyed watching this video, if you found it useful, then do not forget to hit the like button, press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, subscribe the channel, share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.